Guys, what's going on? I'm here to do a video for you guys, and this time it's on the Coach, I think it's called the Coach Glove Tan Kisslock coin purse. I'm guessing that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but anyway, I had bought this one previously at the outlet maybe like a year or so ago or whatever, and I always wanted a you know, just a solid color one. So I ended up finding one online at a pretty good deal, and so here it is. I got the black one. They also had the Dusty Rose one, and I was gonna get that one, but it sold out. And then they had a light pink one, and that one was okay, but it actually was higher than the black one, so I just went ahead and got the black one or whatever. But here it is. And here's the black. There's that. These are some of the cutest little Kisslocks, and I love the little hang tags that that comes with them. And they are nice size. They're nice size coin cases. But yeah, y'all. So I got this black one. And it's just like the other one. So here's the inside of it. And it retails for $125. So there is that. There is that. And let me see what all we can fit in here as far as card wise. So there's an opening. Let's see. There's an opening back there, so put a card. Let's see. There's a card right there. Then we can put one, let's see, right here. It's kind of tight. We put one right there. I don't think there's not going to be any doubling up on these because of how tight it is, which you don't want to be stuffing your things anyway, because you don't want to tear up your stuff. So that goes in there. So there's the cards there. So there's a total of 4 so far. And you can also probably put a couple, you know, just sit a couple in there, which you don't want to be walking around with too many cards anyway. These right here are just store cards. So you can just put a couple of more of those in there. And then you can get you some money. Put some money in there. And then you can also just get you like a little change. Got some coins. You just sit that in there. And there you go. So y'all, that is so cute. Now the thing with this glove tan leather, it does scratches really easy or whatever. So you got to kind of be careful with it if you have like nails and stuff like that, because it will mess up. But yeah, this you still can stick some more stuff in there, some more coins in there, and you probably can even put a tube of chapstick in there, I'm sure. I have these little miniature Tic Tacs. Let me see if one will fit in there. Yep, that'll fit in there. And it still closes. So it still closes perfectly fine. So you probably can put like some chapstick in there. You may be able to put like a car key in there also. I don't have my car keys with me, but you may be able to put a car key in there also. But yeah, I thought these were the cutest little coin cases, coin purses. And like back in the day, I used to love me a Kisslock coin case. So I just wanted to show you guys that, because I got me a new one. So I just want to show you guys my little black one that I got, and plus this one that I already have. And y'all, these can be really pricey. So if you are looking for one, just, yeah, like I said, just keep looking around, and eventually you'll find one in the budget that you are looking for, because I try not to pay full price for anything. I try to get me a deal. I try to use me a gift card, coupons, just whatever I can or whatever. So yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys that really fast, just in case someone is looking for one or want to see what all it holds. So it holds quite a bit. I think so anyway. So yeah. And if you guys have any questions, like always, just let me know and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.